Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your T-Mobile 5G gateway so you can enjoy fast, reliable internet at home. I'll show you step-by-step how to set up your T-Mobile 5G gateway and get your home internet running smoothly. Follow these steps to get it working again. Step 1. Unbox and place your 5G gateway. Take the T-Mobile 5G gateway out of the box and remove all protective coverings. Place it in an open area near a window if possible for better 5G signal. Step 2. Connect power and turn on. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the gateway. Wait for the LED lights to indicate the device is powering up. Usually the power and signal lights will start blinking. Step 3. Insert SIM card if needed. Some models come with an embedded SIM, others require inserting a T-Mobile SIM card. Check the user manual for the correct slot and orientation. Connect to the gateway Wi-Fi. On your phone or PC, look for the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, printed on the back of the gateway. Connect using the default password provided. Changing the location after setup can improve signal strength if you get weak coverage. Step 5. Activate the gateway. Open a web browser or the T-Mobile app and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your 5G gateway. Sign in with your T-Mobile account to link the device to your plan. Step 6. Customize settings. Once activated, log into the admin portal, URL on the back of the device, to change Wi-Fi name, password, and security settings. You can also enable parental controls, guest networks, or check connected devices. Step 7. Test internet speed. Finally, run a speed test on your connected devices to confirm you're getting the expected 5G speeds. Reposition the gateway if needed to maximize coverage. And that's it. Your T-Mobile 5G gateway should now be set up and ready for fast home internet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech setup guides.